This video is how to log on to Clever using a tablet. I'm using an iPad, but you may have a Surface or some other tablet. These are the instructions on how to get onto those district and teacher apps using a tablet. First, what you need to do is before you start getting and logging into Clever, there are 3 apps that you should be getting from your app store. So if I went into my application store, I went into the Apple Store and I looked for the Clever app, the Dreambox app, and the Seesaw app. So if you go into Google Play Store or the App Store that you have, just look for Clever. I just typed in Clever and it was blue, and you need to download that. The second is the Dreambox. It looks like this with the green and the blue. For Seesaw, you need the class app for Seesaw. That's how students will get into Seesaw using Clever. So you just need to download the class app for Seesaw. And then once you have those, you're not going to use those and get in directly using these apps, but you do have to have them on your tablet for Clever to work. So once you get those, you can just not worry about them anymore. What you do need to do to get into Clever for all of these applications is Safari or Google Chrome or some other browser. So I'm going to click on my Safari browser. And you do want to get into the Beaverton School District site. So you can just type in Beaverton School District, go into that website, because that's how you're going to get to the place to log on to Clever for your student. So I'm going to go up to where it says Students. It says Apps for Students, and that's the place that we want to get into. Apps for Students. So I'm going to click on that. And you see all of these different applications that students use in school. And there's applications from kindergarten level all the way up to 12th grade. And it's not everything we use in class, but right now we're only going to worry about the Clever Dashboard. It says BSD Clever Dashboard. That's the app that we're going to be using to get onto all of the applications you need to get to work with teachers. So I'm going to click on the C BSD Clever, and you'll get this box that says to log in. Your teachers have sent you Clever badges. You can print out the Clever badge. I had the Clever badge on my phone and it actually worked pretty well, which is what I'm going to show you. However you get your Clever badge, you're going to have to make sure that it is lined up with the camera on your tablet, because you're going to click Clever badge login and it's going to scan that little code on the Clever badge. Once you get into your dashboard, your Clever dashboard, you're going to see all the different applications that your teachers will most likely have you use while they're doing their teaching. So there's the bookshelf application where they can be reading books. There's Dreambox for math, and Seesaw is what they're going to be using for some communication. So from here, once your student is in, you can tap on any of these, and I'm just going to tap on Bookshelf, where it will take me to all of the different things that you can be reading in a particular level for books. Sometimes when you go out of a particular application, like say you're going out of Bookshelf, you may have to scan the Clever badge again to get back into this page where you're seeing all of the applications. Remember, first you have to get the applications from your app store of Clever, Seesaw, and Dreambox for those to work, and then log in on a browser like Safari or Chrome to get to Beaverton School District so you can get through Clever so that you can do reading, math, and connecting with your teacher. So that's how to do connecting to Clever on the tablet.